Good morning, parents and my dear students. In today's English language class, we will revise chapter 25 from the Active English book. Join the sentences using where. Where is a conjunction. It joins two sentences. Let's see how. This is the place. Gopal learned kite flying here. This is the place where Gopal learned kite flying. This is the place where Gopal learned kite flying. Next, this is the house. My mother was born here. This is the house where my mother was born. This is the house where my mother was born. Next, that is the flat. My friend lives there. That is the flat where my friend lives. That is the flat where my friend lives. Let's revise. This is the place where Gopal learned kite flying. This is the house where my mother was born. That is the flat where my friend lives. Now, rewrite the sentences adding one of these words. Always, never, often. These words indicate frequency of an action. That means how many times an action takes place. Let's see. We come to school by aeroplane. How many times do we come to school by aeroplane? We never come to school by aeroplane. N-E-V-E-R, never. Next, the teacher reads to us. How many times does the teacher read to us? The teacher often reads to us. Similarly, the sun is hot. The sun is always hot. Now let's revise chapter 26. Rewrite the sentences using ought to. When we say ought to do something, it means we should do that. For example, you should try to stop accidents. You ought to try to stop accidents. You ought to try to stop accidents. Next, we should keep passages clear. We ought to keep passages clear. Number C. Children should play a lot. Children ought to play a lot. Children ought to play a lot. But when we should not do something, we use ought not to. So, let's rewrite the sentences using ought not to. We should not tell lies. We ought not to tell lies. We ought not to tell lies. Next, you should not waste water. You ought not to waste water. You ought not to waste water. Number C. We should not eat junk food. We ought not to eat junk food. We ought not to eat junk food. Now, if somebody makes a polite request like, I would like something to drink, please, you may reply, here is a cup of tea for you to drink. Or, I would like something for my sister to wear, please. You may reply, here is a dress for your sister to wear. Make replies to the following statements. I would like something to read, please. In the bracket, a book. Here is a book for you to read. I would like something to eat, please. In the bracket, an orange. You may reply, here is an orange for you to eat. I would like something to do, please. Some work. You may reply, here is some work for you to do. This is the question paper pattern. But now that we are having online examinations, questions will be in objective form. There will be 4 options from which you will have to choose the correct answer. Worksheets related to these topics will be uploaded on your school website. Parents, please help your children to go through them. Thank you and have a good day.